Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this screen protector for my Osmo Pocket 3. This is it. So I'm going to show you guys how I install that. I also have a video, I'm going to link it in the description box below, of me unboxing this camera. Very beautiful camera. So if you guys are interested, click in the link below and you see the video of me unboxing it. So let's get started. This is what it comes in. Okay, I'm going to open it up so I can get started. Alright, so we have two of the big screen and two of the small screen. He has alcohol pads and he also has this cleaning cloth as well. And we have a dust absorber as well. So first of all, I'm going to wipe the screen off with the alcohol pad. Make sure it's clean. Okay, that's all clean. I'm gonna wipe also the little screen as well, the gimbal. Okay, and then I will be wiping it with this cloth as well, just to dry it out. Okay, so the same as goes to this. Okay, it's clean. And then I will be using the dust absorber to make sure there's no dust or anything. Alright, so first we're going to apply the big one first. Alright, next. This is the big one. Let's see. Okay, here you go. That's it here. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna lay that down. Make sure I don't have any fingerprints or anything on the screen. Okay. Alright, so the next thing is I'm going to be using a tape just to guidance. Okay, where is my... So this is it here. Just gonna lay that. No, this way. Make sure it fits perfectly in the center. This is the most difficult part because you want to make sure it fits properly. Okay, I think this is good. So now I'm going to lift it up and pull this. So, wait, I think I have a little. And that's it. And just tap it in the middle, so and let it do its magic. You can see. And then you can pull this tape. Okay. I think it's fine. You can't even see it. And then you can wipe it. Okay. This is, it has a little bubble I think over here, but it's gonna go off. Alright, that's done over here, and then we're going. Alright, so that's on, and let's test it, make sure the fingerprinting and everything is working fine. So that's that. Okay, you can see the touch screen is still working. Everything looks good. So I have the camera cover as well, but I am going to skip that because I don't want anything to change like the quality of my camera. So I'm gonna leave that lens out. You know, I was gonna change it before, but I just realized that I don't know if that would kind of like, you know, alter the video or what my pictures. So I'm just gonna leave that out for now until I do my research. I'm gonna watch some videos of like people that other people that put the screen on their camera to see if there's any changes. And also I was reading that if you put the camera cover, because this camera comes with a lens that you're not going to be able to fit your lens, your filter lens, to your camera. So I have to read more on that. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. Like I said, if you want the unboxing of this camera, link below. And also I'll be sharing some accessories other accessories that I got for this camera. So stay tuned for the next video. If you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button below, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.